What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with fundamental news, with amazing fundamental news and with the results of their Q4 and full year deliveries. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that potentially we have this bull flag, and this pattern usually breaks to the upside. And as you can see, it broke to the upside. But I have to admit that my main assumption was that this asset at that moment had a huge bearish pressure because of their latest news, and it wasn't so severe from the fundamental standpoint, but a lot of paper hands might sell their stocks. But I have to say that I was wrong, and this assumption that we have this type of ABC correction to the upside was wrong, and I'm pretty happy that I was wrong and we have this massive surge in price. So I didn't encourage you to enter your position right here because I had these doubts, but our main accumulation point was right here at this level, at the confluence range of 0.5. It is $892.53, and the previous support slash resistance, it is the top of our January swing high. So I have to say that we have amazing movement to the upside, and on top of that we hit some resistances, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the news itself. So I don't want to dive deep into their financials because in a matter of a couple of weeks we will see their Q4 and full year 2021 results. That's why just let's pay attention on their latest updates. So on January the 2nd we have this press release that was published on their official website, and it says: in the fourth quarter, we achieved production of more than 305,000 vehicles and deliveries of over 308,000 vehicles. And as you can see, the numbers are following: 305,840 as a production ramp, and the total number of their deliveries is 308,600 vehicles. So it is extremely high numbers, and they beat all the expectations, and this means in a matter of several weeks, we will have their earnings report, and this earnings report will also be a huge catalyst for this company because their financial numbers will beat the expectations as well. And let me remind you that this company doesn't launch their Berlin and Austin plants yet. This means the potential level of their 2022 deliveries might be more than 1.5 million vehicles this year. And let me show you this very interesting article. We are on InsideEVs.com, and right here we have the picture of their production and deliveries. And let me show you how exponential this growth is. And the next couple of years will be even more impressive because the Berlin plant and Austin plant will start the production in a matter of just a couple of months. So on top of that, let me show you right here. This article was published on January the 3rd, and it says: Tesla races to 9-week high as deliveries expectations soar. And let me quote you this: Morgan Stanley says Tesla delivering 2 million vehicles this year to customers is a stretch target that is on the table after the automaker tailed 308,000 deliveries in Q4 of 2021 amid supply chain pressure. Analyst Adam Jonas also sees a plant mix benefit as Tesla produces vehicles from locations other than Fremont. While not disclosed by the company, we estimate there to be as high as a 2,000 basis points gross margin differential between Fremont, approximately 20%, and Shanghai, approximately 40%, he notes. So this means the margin in their new plants in Shanghai and in Austin and Berlin will be almost double from their margin in Fremont plant. This means financial numbers in upcoming quarters will be even more impressive. And this leads to much higher price targets. So, all in all, for now, everybody is extremely bullish on Tesla. But let me show you some potential downsides for the entire EV industry. And we are on Seeking Alpha as well. And this article was published on January the 3rd and is titled, "What could go wrong in the electric vehicle revolution? Not enough lithium." And let me quote you this. The electric vehicle sector could be rattled by a surprise shortfall of lithium batteries, warns Blackstone's Byron Swine and Joe Zidle. As a part of their list of 10 surprises to watch for in 2022, Wine and Zidle rise the lithium battery wildcard. In a setback to its green energy program, the United States finds it cannot buy enough lithium batteries to power the electric vehicles planned for production. China controls the lithium market as well as the markets for the cobalt and nickel used in making the transmission rods, and it opts to reserve most of the supply of these commodities for domestic use. So it is what it is. Lithium is extremely rare metal, and this means potentially this might be the bottleneck for the entire EV industry. It is what it is, we just have to be cautious, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that for now we have this breakdown according to Elliott wave theory as our main one. And for now we have the top of our fifth wave at this very point, but because of this huge gap, it is extremely difficult to make the breakdown of the ending fifth wave, and this means we might hit higher targets. So it is what it is, just be cautious. We have extremely high volume with this movement to the upside, and it is quite obvious. But all in all, I don't think that you have to enter your position at this very point, because even if we will go higher, we have major resistance at this all-time high level of about $1,243, and potentially we might hit this range and go lower, and in this case we should pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. For now we have this range as our highest point, but if you will hit some higher targets, we should adjust this tool to this range. And in this case, you can accumulate your position on the ranges of from 0.382 all the way down to golden pocket. And with the total bullishness of this asset, I don't think that we might hit this low range of about 0.65 and 0.618. Even if we will hit this range, this level of previous all-time high, as you can see, our huge confluence level again will be at the range of about 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, and it will be $1,100. So I think you should put your buy orders right around this range, because potentially we might fill even this gap with upcoming several sessions. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade, who entered the position at the ranges of about $900. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!